Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on Dosbox. First, you'll need to download and install the Dosbox emulator from its official website. Next, ensure you have your Doom game files ready, specifically the Doom WAD file. It's a good practice to create a dedicated folder on your C drive, perhaps named DOS games, to keep all your classic titles organized and easily accessible for Dosbox. Once Dosbox is open, you'll need to mount your game folder as a virtual drive. Type mount cc /DOS games and press enter, replacing c /DOS games with your actual game folder path. This command makes your folder accessible within Dosbox. After mounting, simply type C and hit enter to switch to your newly mounted virtual drive, preparing you to access your game files. Now that you're on your virtual drive, navigate to your Doom game directory. For example, if Doom is in a folder called Doom, type cd Doom and press enter. Once inside, simply type Doom and hit enter to launch the game. You can then adjust various settings like sound, music, and display resolution directly within Doom's in-game options menu for the best experience. For optimal performance, you might need to adjust Dosbox cycles. Use Ctrl plus F11 to decrease cycles or Ctrl plus F12 to increase them until Doom runs smoothly. A front-end program can also simplify managing multiple games and settings. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy revisiting this classic game with these tips, ensuring a fantastic retro gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.